Hey guys, Sam from BBQ here, and today I'm cooking bacon wrapped smoked shrimp on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. So here I've got some just streaky bacon, and what I'll do with these is I'm gonna cut them in half lengthways, just like this. And then I can use just those strips to wrap the bacon. Otherwise, there's just gonna be too much bacon. So I'll just go ahead and separate them out and cut them up, and I'll see you soon. So I've got a bowl of thawed shrimp here. They're nice big sort of jumbo size ones. And what I'll do is just pull the tail off them, just like that. And these shrimp have already been deveined and deshelled, obviously. So they're good to go. So I'll just grab one of these strips of bacon, starting at one end of the shrimp, just wrap it around. You just kind of have to guess at how sort of open this wrap's going to be. You just want it to cover the whole shrimp. Okay, so once that's done, we just need to hold it together, so you can either use a toothpick and just push it through like this, and then you've got like a little morsel for the pellet grill, or what I prefer is using a skewer. So we'll just jam that through there. Then we can put 3 or 4 shrimp on one of these skewers, and it just makes it a little bit easier for cooking. So I'll just go ahead and do the rest of these shrimp, wrapping them in bacon, putting them on the skewer, and then I'll come back to you. So here's all our shrimp on the skewers, made quite a bit, but what I'm going to do is just put a little bit of salt on, not too much because the bacon is already salty, but just enough to kind of season it. And for these shrimp, I'm going to be using a Kraken Chili's The Razzled Meerkat, which is a pineapple and pear hot sauce. So that's just going to add a little bit of heat and a kind of a fruity flavour to them. So that's going to go really nice with these shrimp. If you're in New Zealand and you want to get hold of some of this Kraken Chili's, head over to chilies.co.nz and you can buy it there. If you're overseas and you can't get hold of this stuff, you can use like sweet Thai chili or your favourite hot sauce. I just really like this sauce because of that pineapple and pear flavours. I'll put a good amount on because I like a bit of heat. Now we'll just brush it in, brush it over them evenly. Make sure you get into all the nooks and crannies. Good even coating. Alright, and now we'll flip them over and we'll do the same to the other side. So these are looking really good already. So now we'll take them out to the grill. So here I've got my Pit Boss pellet grill set up to 205 degrees. Got it nice and hot. And I'll go ahead and put the skewers straight on the grill. Space them out a bit so they cook evenly and the smoke can get all around them. And we'll leave these in here. They'll probably take about half an hour to cook, but I'll check on them after about the 20-minute mark. Now after 25 minutes, these are looking perfect. A little bit grilled on the bottom. That sauce has gone nice and sticky, but the bacon's crispy. The shrimp is cooked. So let's get them off the grill and go and eat. Oh man, look at these. So good. A little bit crispy, but oh man, that is just absolutely delicious. Bit of spice in there. That's really, really nice. You can taste that sweetness from the sauce, but the bacon and the shrimp, just delicious. Alright, so those shrimp turned out absolutely beautiful. That bacon was really nice and crispy. That Kraken chili sauce, razzled meerkat, was really good. Put a little bit of spice in there, a little bit of that pineapple flavour. It was really, really nice. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. That way you won't miss out on any future videos, and we'll see you again next time.